Do the intro.
Yo, what's up, guys? FPS Bros here. Barrier FPS Thunder.
I bet. Let's go. So what I'm gonna start off with, I wanna I wanna make it to where like you get a good grasp for like what's in the tier list. So I'm gonna jump off what I think is S first. Let's do some S's real quick. I know they didn't hold. I know they didn't hold Code Geass. Code Geass, ain't nigga. Oh, you're right. You're right. I'm blind. Yeah. Yeah. That big fella's going right up there. You get your second season. Second season. Nah, I ain't looking for that shit. Right under it. Bro, why? Oh yeah, it is. It is. Yeah. That's it. Yep. I definitely agree with that. I bet. So let's go Naruto. It's gonna be controversial, right? Because the first Naruto, Dragon Ball, where you Dragon Ball? A. I think it's A. I think it's A. It's A. I ain't putting that bitch in S tier. I'm sorry. No. See, in Naruto, right? This is what I'm talking about. Because I think the first Naruto is S. This is S. I think I think this shit is A. No, B. Nah, yeah, I think it's B. I don't think it was going A. I mean, let me think. Let me think. How much you rock out on that? How much you rock out? How much you rock out? I'm putting this one in A. I'm putting this one in B then. Cause I fuck with the first Naruto more. Okay, so Fairy Tail. Fairy Tail. That's a what? No. Okay. Listen to me. Fairy Tail. I like it, but some of the seasons are straight up ass. I swear to God, some of the OP is nice though, but some of the seasons are straight up ass. Is minimum B tier? Yeah. Okay. Do you think I haven't seen either one of these right here? But oh, these two. Oh, I don't know what the fuck they say. I know I can't see them. I know I ain't seen them. Oh, that's not bad, but yeah. I haven't watched. Cowboy Bebop. No, I tripped. S. It's S. I'm not arguing. I'm not arguing with you. Suck my dick. It's S. Hey, good thing it's opinion based. Good thing it's opinion based. Yeah, I haven't. You Samurai Shampoo. Ah, it's A tier. Yeah, I'm not putting it in this. I'm not putting it in this. Niggas gonna be mad about that one. Oh, oh, I mean, I want to put it in S, but yeah, you know what? You know what? Can we make tiers? Is that a thing? Can we make it? Yeah, never watch. I think that's a better idea. I've never seen that shit either. You seen Angel Beats before? It's big. Oh, well, niggas gonna be hating for this. But that shit. This shit. I tried to watch that, but that shit is slow paced as hell. I couldn't get into it. Yeah, SD tier. I couldn't get into it. Toradora, big fella. For romance animes, I'm rocking with it, big fella. I'm rocking with it. You haven't seen Toradora? Oh, okay. Let me think. Yeah. Any mini money mo. Yeah. Actually, no, I won't do it like that. No, that's definitely A tier. Fates, let's get those up out the way. Let's see. Which one is this? This is 2000 and what version? Like, what was that? This one is ass. I don't care. That first one ass. Uh, yeah, that's the original Fate. I hate that shit. Is Zero on here? Oh no. Hmm. Here it is. Oh, zero. Are these both zeros? Is that? I think. Huh. Okay, this is definitely zero. I'm assuming that's Ultimate Blade. Um. Yeah, this is one of my favorite animes ever. Uh. Is this zero? I think this is zero too. So I'm gonna put it in. Okay. 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 Sword Art Online. Oh, Sword Seven Deadly Sins. Oh, okay. Ooh, Seven Deadly Sins. I I don't know. I like it, but that animation killed me. I'm sorry, it killed me. It it killed me. It killed me. I'm sorry. I mean, with Naruto, Dragon Ball, Samurai Champloo, that shit is fire though. You have to see it. Nah. You haven't seen Toradora. You haven't seen it. Bro, okay, people in the comments, tell this nigga about Toradora. Tell him about Toradora. Listen. Just ask him in the comments what Toradora do, bro. They gonna tell you, bro. Attack on Titan. I'll put that in this. Oh yeah, off the rip. In fact, nigga, I'm gonna get you right here in front of. I think I've only seen season one and two. I'm not gonna cap. Tokyo Ghoul is good. Is it for me? I don't think so. B, yeah, I think I can rock out with that. Let me just put you up there. Yeah, I could do. I could rock. I mean, I never read the manga, but I hear niggas be saying it's nice. Magi, Magi, you working with something, big fella? That's Magi. I rank them the same. I mean, Magi's he. I think Magi can Magi go S? Can he go S? Yeah, I think he deserves this off the rim. Hmm. Actually, I feel bad. Bleach. Ooh, where's that motherfucker at? Top row near the middle. Okay. Um, if I put Naruto and Fairy Tail here, if I put Naruto and Fairy Tail right here, I think because Bleach, it's not like the writing is really good. It's really not. It's really not. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? All four of these, not. I think Bleach is better than Naruto and Fairy Tail. I mean, Seven Deadly Sins fight. It's better than Tokyo Ghoul. You seen Attack on Titan? Oh yeah, it got. Yeah, we ain't got nothing to see anyways. Might as well. Where that bitch at? Oh, here it is. I put that in B. Okay. Boom. Which one? Attack on Titan. Ooh. Hold on. Let's get Full Metal Alchemist up out the way. Let's get that up out the way. In fact, let's put that right in front of Hunter X Hunter. Let's do it. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get that up out the way. Get that up out the. Oh, and this controversial first season. Ass fucking garbage. Oh wait, no, that's the first. Wait, first season. I'm tripping. Okay. Listen to me. The first 15 episodes are nice. What do you think it is? 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 Because this is the first season only. Okay, but listen to my logic. The first 15 episodes were nice. The second half of the season was horrible. Yeah. Oh, it's in its own. Okay, I'll see what I go. GG, yo. This? No, that shit dumpster fire. Dumpster fire. Trash. Blue. Ooh, Gurren Lagann. Gurren Lagann. Niggas gonna be fucking pissed off at me about this. They, they, they gonna be mad at me about this. This is not going in S tier. I don't care. Yeah, I don't know. Like, they gonna be mad about this. To keep it 100 with you, yeah, like right here. I mean, you right, you right. Okay, let's see. Black Butler, I don't like it like that. Nah, dude. I don't want the video to be too long, so let me get some of these up out the way. Your Line April, romance, pretty decent. Put that in B. No, no, it's going to be. You suck my dick. Uh, who? You haven't seen Your Line April? They're fired. Stop that. To I never seen it. What do you think? B, 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 right? B, right? Uh, okay, big fella. Killer Kill. I didn't fuck with it like that. Not gonna lie. Yeah, this shit was ass. Uh, D. Uh, well, let me see what's in here. That first Fate series. I don't know. Is it with the first Fate series though? No, you gotta keep watching the S. S. It's S. It's S. It's S. It's S. S tier. Oh yeah, I can do that. What do I think S tier is? What do I think is S? Do I think Soul Eater is? No, I do not. I think Soul Eater is really good though. One Piece. One Piece is yeah, yeah, right there, right there. Yeah, that's yeah. You get your ass up there, buddy. What's this? Brotherhood? Yeah, no, I'm sorry. You're mid. It's Brotherhood. Wait. Yeah. This one's mid. The rah rah rah. I think it's S. I'm sorry. That is S. I'm sorry. Niggas could be mad about that. It's front. That is so true. If you don't agree with us, you haven't seen it. Haven't seen it, but what do you think it is? This Elfen Light, right? Okay, what is it? B. Okay. Okay, let's see. Parasite. Big fella, you working with something, big fella. Don't spoil. Oh my God, you're getting bleeps. You're getting bleeps. You're getting bleeps. No, no. Uh, so let's see. Uh, Death Note. What do you think, Death Note? Yeah, exactly, exactly. Oh shit. They gonna be so tight about that. I know so many Death Note dick suckers. Uh, ain't going there. Ain't going there. I comic they could suck my dick for what they did at the end. I'm sorry. Fuck it. Fuck yeah. No, see. I'm gonna put in C. Let's get. I'm gonna get. I'm. Nah, I'm gonna get the mids out the way as well. The middies out the way. The bees. Psychopaths. Oh no, that's C. Didn't go there. C. Yes, yes, yes. It's very a lot to do about. It's like it's a crime show where they use the guns to rate your psychopaths, and it's really fucked up. It's a nice show though. Parasite, you're going up in S, buddy, in S tier. Oh, yo, what? You don't agree with? Okay, okay, chill. I'm not going for anything other than B. I'm not doing anything other than B. I'm not doing going anything other than B. I'm sorry, not happening. You want me to trigger niggas? Trigger niggas. Food Wars is ass. Fuck that shit. Food Wars is ass. It's not going past B. Uh, it's pretty ass. Oh, also, if y'all are wondering why we put in so many A, S, and B, because it's the top 100 list, my nigga. This is the top 100 anime on Mel, so of course they're gonna be good. Noragami Heat. Eh, eh, Um, uh, Blue Exorcist mid. Actually, I feel like I feel like I'm doing too many in B right now. Yeah, C would be yeah. B. Ooh, make sure all these choices are eligible to be up here. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. All of these, of course. Yeah. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. This DNC is gonna be filled up pretty fast. Pretty fast. For example, this shit. Dead Man Wonderland. I the manga goes crazy. Too bad the anime's ass. It's entertaining, but it's ass. Uh, yeah. Attack on Titan. Just on that. A. It deserve. Me personally, I know. I only enjoyed it to like A tier, but I know it deserves S tier. Oh yeah, you're right. That's season one. That season. This is season one. Oh okay. Nah, I'm gonna let you rock out to B. Okay, so Mob Psycho. Mob Psycho. Uh, yeah, that is so true. Okay, I think they deserve A. Well, let me see. Who's in A? Naruto Shippuden. Actually, okay. Every season. Oh shit. DJ. Yo, let me see. Where's Zero at? ReZero. Where is that? I can't see. Where is ReZero at, man? Here it is. There it is. I have no arguments with that. Just because I hate the MC. Just because I hate the MC, my nigga. Okay, now we can. This is mid right here. This oh, except for the end. I do want to put it in A, but I don't think it has enough merit to be with these anime right here. Yeah, I don't think it has enough merit to be up here with these big dogs. Actually, now I'm thinking about it. This is A tier. You gonna have to get the fuck out of there. I'm sorry. Who else gonna get the Noragami? It might hurt me to do this, Noragami. I'm sorry. You gotta think the fuck about it. Okay. Oh, I'm sweet. Mm, yeah, I think I'm going with B. I'm saying with B. A S tier. Yeah, no S tier. You gotta keep that. Okay. Now I'm gonna go down. So let's see. Let me get some of these up out the way. I don't know what the fuck this is. The fuck this is. Clan Athens Store. I do know what that is, but I haven't seen it. So get the fuck out of here. Future Diarrhea. Let's see. Hey, I can rock. I can let that rock out. Let that rock out now. Oh, Steins Gate. That's going in this. Yeah, it's going in this. No, it's in this, buddy. It's in this. Let's see. Soul Eater. That's going to be. My Hero, High School of the Dead. That's yeah, cause I need to fill up these as well anyway. Haven't seen Clan. Get that shit out of here. Overlord, we could talk about it. It's not going in A. Suck my dick. No, it's not. No, it's not. You telling me you don't think this shit deserves to be with Bleach? This actually wait once I want to put Bleach up in A tier so bad. But I have Naruto and Fairy Tail here. One Punch Man first season or second? But then we have one. Oh okay. If it was let me see. That has enough merit to go on B. B. Where's that shit at? His little bald ass. Where's his little bald? Wait, is One Punch Man not on the list? You're lying. They're lying. This is to the right second row. Maybe I'm just blind. But... Oh wait, I'm very blind. Third to the right in the set. Oh, I thought that was Beyblade, bit. Oh, I'm stupid, bruh. It looks like Beyblade. I was like, what? Yeah, you're going to be, buddy. Oh, these lists are not organized anyway. But this top one, this is organized. This shit is organized. Oh wait, wait. ReZero, where is it at? That back, ReZero. Where? It's already in the tier list. I'm forgetting where I put it. Shit. Oh, I already have it on D. Very bad. Oh, okay. 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 And D is D organized? I think D is organized. Oh, actually, yeah, no, I'm keep these organized. Mob Psycho, you're going in. What do we put? Yeah, I'm putting you in there. Ooh, we get some people mad right now. Death Parade, you're going in there. I'm saying, yeah, no, man. This one. Haikyuu, your ass. Fuck you. This ass, I don't care. Nope, ass, 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 ass. If you're mad at me in the comments, suck my dick. Uh, what's it called? What's this? I've seen it. My God, I I don't want people to know I watch this anime, but I do fuck with it. What's it called, motherfucker? It's called. It's a high school anime, and like this girl goes into a school, she breaks like a really expensive vase, and it's a backwards harem, my nigga. It's a reverse harem, my nigga. No, I'm not gay, man. It was just heat. It was just heat. Suck my dick. Don't even worry about it. It's in B. Just shut up. Just shut up. It's in B. Uh, that's it. Yeah, I can fuck with it, Nay. I can fuck with it, Nay. My hero, you're in B. But all the other medias, sure. Yeah, you're all in B. I hope. Can you distinguish which one of these is season one? Oh, it's this one. Season one. Yeah. Okay. Season four. Wait. I'm not fucking confident. In the beach. Oh shit, we gotta wrap this shit up fast. It's already 24 minutes, bitch. You said what? You said what? This one? Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Oh, this is Noragami season two. Wait, this is Noragami season two. So what did I put up? Oh, oh, oh well. So Noragami season two. No, July and April where? July and April's at the bottom U line. I know I put that at least B. Oh, oh no, I was gonna say. In fact, your line April. I think it deserves to be A tier. I think it is. Definitely deserves to be A tier. Okay, so now we're getting to this shit where I'm like, who the fuck watches this? Konosuba, where do you put it at? Wait, oh yeah, where do you put Konosuba at? Let's see. You, what you thinking? What season is this again? This season one, right? We just gonna guess. We just gonna guess this bitch. Y'all know what we mean though. Y'all know what we mean though. Y'all know what we mean. That's all that matters. Okay, so now we're getting to the shit that I haven't watched. Spirited Away, Spirited Away. Listen, I watched that shit in first grade with my art teacher, so I'm definitely putting it in C. Oh god. Log Horizon, your ass. Fuck you. Uh, it's ass. It's Gintama. You, go Gintama. I'm gonna put you up there with the rest of these other ones in time. I'll, oh yeah, you're right. I haven't watched it. Shit, I'm tripping. I was I forgot it said never watched, but I forgot about that. I was gonna put it up there with the other big show then. Oh, this is No Game No Life. You're an A. Okay. Okay. I mean, what is it? I mean, that is true. That is true. Isekai wise, I think I'm getting it. I think I'm topping over Konosuba. Yeah, it's nice. It's not. It's up there. I'm gonna watch this right after this video. This isn't being this this. Are you crazy? Are you putting this next to Code Geass or Full Metal? I think you're talking with your dick. I'm not gonna lie. I think you're talking. I think you're talking with your dick, bro. Okay. I'm gonna let you rock out. I thought you was talking with your wee wee for a second, bit. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now I'm getting to the things that I really haven't seen. Shit. I'm just gonna wait. What's this? This is Guilty Crown. Well, I'm. You said what? You said D? I was finna say. I was like, what the fuck you talking about? Okay, so yeah, no spoilers. Okay, haven't seen, but I want to watch that. It's a romance. Another haven't seen. Yeah, yeah. You seen it? What is it? That is a B tier. Okay. Um. Yes. Okay. 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 I'm gonna let you rock out. I hear this shit is so heat. The regular high school. Oh, regular high school. Oh, you might just like they gonna be calling the audio and you said what? S tier? Okay. Now all this shit right here. This right here. That's his opinion, everyone. You hear that? That's his opinion. Okay. Let me see. What am I gonna put in front of him? Not put in front of Toradora. I put in front of I put in front of this shit. I don't really care about that. Have you seen any of these? Okay. Okay. What are we putting it? What are we putting it? B. Okay. Oh wait, what's? I think I've seen this right here, but I can't remember what the name is. Same. I've seen it so many times. I know this is Heat right here, but I don't like little girls. Yeah. Same. I've actually clicked on. Oh, I think I've seen this actually. I forgot what this is called, but I think I've seen this. You said what? I think I've seen this. I'm not sure, so I'm putting this right here. Yep. Yeah. Oh God, if I had the title, this would be way easier. I wish I knew how to zoom in. It's done. They're all in. They're all in Everwatch. All in Never Watch. Okay, how many do we have in Never Watch? Um, yeah. So we have 30 that we haven't watched. I think we did pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh wait, am I tripping? I'm a 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, we capped out about some of these like High School DxD. We capped out about. Oh, you haven't? I think I'm putting on B. I do plan on watching some of these in the future. Anyways, we're done with the video. Thanks for tuning in for our tier list.